All right, so I just got a package today. These things came out April 3rd. They're fucking expensive as shit. And I got one for a really fucking good deal. Now, they told me there'd be a 2-week lead time on these for getting stock. I ordered this earlier this week, actually. So, new headset. It's the current model that I have, Jabra Pro 9470, whatever. Use these for work. These things are fantastic. The batteries turn into shit. So let's do a little unboxing here. So we open this up and look at this. It's pretty. It's a much smaller form factor too, which is what I like. This is the Engage 75, I believe. There we go. Let me take a look. All that fancy stuff made in China. Woohoo! There we go. Jabra Engage 75. So has some pretty neat little features. From side by side, see the smaller form factor. Look at that, it's going to take up less space on a desk. You may not think that's a big deal, but it actually is kind of a big deal. So we have the base here full of stickers, no big deal. Look at this. The other thing is, look at that. We use a USB connection. This one here just kind of uses a little magnetic clicky. And there it goes. But sometimes it doesn't always sit right. And in the morning when you're ready to work, the battery's dead. It's no bueno. So this is definitely much smaller. A lot lighter too. It's kind of weird. So I'm gonna grab the current one. So there we go. We got a little side-by-side action here. So definitely much smaller. So I'm wondering how that's gonna feel like. I'm excited to use this system. What else we got in the box here? Okay. So this is the mono side. They do have a stereo version. So this one comes with the little headset if you like that gimmick. Clearly you can tell I am not into the full headset side. What else we got here? We got the around the back of the neck kind of shit. I don't know anybody that uses those. I've never seen anybody use one. Charging. Looks like we got the power cable. The same little tiny ass plug. It looks like the same tiny ass little plug, so I might be able to just use the one from my original base. I'll have to check the specs. What else we got here? Phone cable and mini USB. Anything else in here? And another earpiece. So, I'm concerned because I thought there was supposed to be more of those than just that. So hopefully doesn't look like it. So anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Of course came with the instructions, but I mean, who really fucking reads these things? So just kind of give you a quick idea here. There's some perfect fit, yay. This one actually will connect up to 5 devices, which is why I kind of went with this over one of their other models. Because I do integrate with my PC, I integrate with my cell phone, and I integrate with my company phone. The only downside is Jabra doesn't seem to make an automated phone lift gimmick, so I've got my phone here. It'd be nice if I could just push a button and have it lift up. So, alright, so supposedly like so, and how easy is it to line up? Well, that's going to be a pain in the dick. It doesn't seem to be very easy to line up. There we go. Pops on there, and that's what the set looks like. So, I don't think I'm going to do a review. There'll probably be plenty of people doing a review, but I just want to do a quick unboxing of this. So, I'm going to set it side by side with the other one. Pink. There we go. So that's kind of what they are. I got this from a site that absolutely destroyed the MSRP. So this thing released on April 3rd. The MSRP is $440, I believe it was. Let me see if I can find the site here because I paid a fraction of that and it was brand new out of the box. So let's see. IP Phone Warehouse is the place that I got it. So let me see if I can find it here. Alright. IP Phone Warehouse. So that's the site there. Apparently they have some good stuff. I'm just gonna type in, what is it? Engage 75. Alright, so they have a couple of these. So they have the convertible, which I believe is the one that I picked up. Look at that price. Alright. Brand fucking new. Oh, so now it shows they're in stock. When I ordered, said pre-ordered, and they told me it was 2 weeks before they get it to me. I ordered it this week. I got it already. But seriously, $440 versus $265.99. These guys are not paying me for this advertising. Anybody else that does professional work on a headset or a phone, I do technical support for some people, and I'm always on the phone having to do something. That price, fantastic. You can get one of these brand new, the Jabra, I think it's like the 9470s or whatever. They're pretty good. They allow 3 device connections, which you can kind of see right here. You can connect to the cell phone, you can connect to the PC. So this new system will do all of that. It's better battery life, better deck security. It's featuring level C. I may do a review. I don't know, once I get it set up, we'll see. But that's it for now, and you guys have a great day.